Importance of effective team collaboration and communication in Agile development. Effective team collaboration and communication is essential for the success of Agile development projects because it helps to ensure that all members of the team are working towards the same goals, and that everyone is aware of the progress and challenges of the project. It also helps to identify and resolve issues quickly, reduce the risk of misunderstandings, and improve overall productivity. In Agile development, the team is self-organizing, which means that they are responsible for determining the best way to complete the work. Effective team collaboration and communication is necessary to ensure that everyone on the team is aligned and has a shared understanding of the project goals, requirements, and constraints. Regular communication, such as daily stand-up meetings, sprint reviews, and retrospective meetings, helps to keep everyone informed about the progress of the project and any issues that may arise. These meetings also provide opportunities for team members to share ideas, ask questions, and provide feedback, which can lead to more efficient problem-solving and decision-making. Effective team collaboration and communication also helps to foster a positive work environment, where team members feel comfortable expressing their ideas, concerns, and feedback. This can lead to better relationships among team members, and ultimately, to a more successful project outcome. Different forms of communication that are used in Agile development. In Agile development, there are several different forms of communication that are used to keep team members aligned and informed about the progress of the project. These include stand-up meetings, also known as daily Scrum meetings. Stand-up meetings are short, daily meetings where team members come together to discuss the progress of the project. During these meetings, each team member answers 3 questions. What did you do yesterday? What will you do today? Are there any blockers or issues? Stand-up meetings help to keep everyone informed about the progress of the project and any issues that may arise. Sprint reviews. Sprint reviews are meetings that take place at the end of each sprint, which is a set period of time, usually 2 to 4 weeks, during which the team works to complete a set of tasks. During sprint reviews, the team presents the work that they have completed during the sprint to the stakeholders and receives feedback. Retrospective meetings. Retrospective meetings are held at the end of each sprint, with the goal of evaluating the team's performance and identifying areas for improvement. During these meetings, team members discuss what went well, what didn't go well, and what can be improved for the next sprint. Backlog grooming. Backlog grooming is a meeting where the team reviews the product backlog, which is a prioritized list of features and requirements for the project, and decides which items should be included in the next sprint. This helps to keep the team aligned on the project goals and priorities. Pair programming. Pair programming is a technique where 2 programmers work together at one workstation. One writes code while the other reviews each line of code as it is typed in. This helps to ensure that the code is of high quality, and it also helps to spread knowledge and skills within the team. Active listening and how it can improve team collaboration and communication. Active listening is a communication skill that involves paying full attention to the speaker, understanding their message, and responding in an appropriate way. It is an essential component of effective team collaboration and communication. When practicing active listening, the listener should focus on the speaker's words, nonverbal cues, and context, and try to understand the speaker's perspective. They should also avoid interrupting the speaker or making assumptions about what they are going to say. Active listening can improve team collaboration and communication in several ways. 1. It helps to ensure that everyone is on the same page, by encouraging all team members to express their thoughts and ideas fully. 2. It can help to resolve conflicts more efficiently by allowing all parties to express their concerns and be heard. 3. It can help to identify issues more quickly by allowing team members to share their perspectives and insights. 4. It can improve the overall productivity of the team by allowing for more efficient problem-solving and decision-making. 5. It can foster a positive work environment by promoting mutual respect and understanding among team members. By practicing active listening, team members can improve their communication and collaboration skills, which can lead to a more efficient and effective team. Communication techniques to express needs and feelings. An iMessage is a simple communication technique that can be used to express one's own needs and feelings in a non-threatening way. It is composed of 3 parts. 1. I statement. This is a statement that expresses the speaker's own thoughts, feelings, or needs. 1. It's important to start with I, because it makes the statement less confrontational and more about the speaker's own experience. 2. The feeling. This part of the message expresses the emotion that the speaker is experiencing. 2. It's important to use feeling words because it makes the message more specific and less vague. 3. The need or request. This part of the message expresses what the speaker would like to happen or what they need in the situation. For example, I feel frustrated when deadlines are not met, and I need clear communication and collaboration to ensure that we meet our deadlines. By using I messages, individuals can communicate their needs and feelings in a way that is non-threatening, and it also helps to keep the conversation focused on the speaker's experience and needs rather than placing blame on others. It's important to note that when using I messages, speakers should avoid using words like you or your, and instead, focus on their own thoughts, feelings, and needs. This helps to avoid creating defensiveness in the other person and make the conversation more productive. Clear and concise communication as success factor of Agile development. Clear and concise communication is essential for the success of Agile development projects because it helps to ensure that everyone on the team is aligned and has a shared understanding of the project goals, requirements, and constraints. It also helps to identify and resolve issues quickly, reduce the risk of misunderstandings, and improve overall productivity. In Agile development, time is of the essence, and it's important that team members are able to communicate efficiently and effectively in order to meet deadlines and deliver working software. Clear and concise communication helps to minimize confusion and delays, and it also helps to ensure that the team is working on the right tasks at the right time. Clear and concise communication also helps to foster a positive work environment, where team members feel comfortable expressing their ideas, concerns, and feedback. This can lead to better relationships among team members, and ultimately, to a more successful project outcome. Clear and concise communication is achieved by using simple and direct language, avoiding ambiguity and unnecessary details, and getting to the point of the message. This also applies to all forms of communication in Agile development such as written, verbal, and visual. In summary, clear and concise communication is important in Agile development because it helps to keep everyone aligned and informed, resolve issues quickly, and improve overall productivity. It helps to ensure that the team is working on the right tasks at the right time, and that everyone is aware of the progress and challenges of the project. This can lead to a more efficient and effective team and ultimately, a successful project outcome. Key takeaways. Effective communication helps to ensure that all members of the team are working towards the same goals, and that everyone is aware of the progress and challenges of the project. Regular communication, such as stand-up meetings, sprint reviews, and retrospective meetings, helps to keep everyone informed and improve overall productivity. Different forms of communication such as stand-up meetings, sprint reviews, retrospective meetings, backlog grooming, and pair programming are used in Agile development to keep team members aligned and informed. Active listening is an essential component of effective team collaboration and communication and can improve team collaboration and communication in several ways such as resolving conflicts efficiently, identifying issues quickly, and fostering a positive work environment. Effective team collaboration and communication also helps to foster a positive work environment, where team members feel comfortable expressing their ideas, concerns, and feedback. This can lead to better relationships among team members, and ultimately, to a more successful project outcome.